to make an avocado mountain. We just need 7 ingredients, like the 7 days of the week. 7 and 7. Avocado, sea salt, garlic powder. You can use fresh garlic or garlic powder. Chipotle is a little bit spicy, but it has a good taste that makes it very good also. And 3 corn chips and fresh greens and a lime. We have to cut the avocado, but sharp knives can be dangerous for little kids. So you need an assistant daddy. Assistant daddy! Now that our daddy assistant took off the skin and took out the seed, now we can start building our dish. Now we're going to have some fun with these. Make sure to leave one for the special topping. These are all crushed up now. Now we can, now they'll add a crunchy taste to our dish. Now we have to make a bed of lettuce for the avocado. And we put the avocado on next. Get garlic powder, sprinkle it on. Tortilla chips. Some salt. Some chipotle. Some tortilla chips. And some lime. And the last thing, a flag. Tortilla chip flag. Optionally, you can use olive oil as a dressing. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm Chef Adrian Kavi. See you next time.